Hi there, my name is Showit and this is Finance Central. Today, I'm going to go over a few simple ways to manage your 401k. The 401k is a tax-advantaged defined contribution retirement account offered by many employers to their employees. The name comes from the section of the US Internal Revenue Code. If you are so lucky as to have access to a 401k plan, you can make contributions through automatic payroll withholding. And if your employer matches some or all those contributions, they would add to this pre-tax account. The money will then be available to you typically after retirement and will be taxed at that time. If you contribute to a Roth 401k plan, which is after tax, the withdrawals can be tax-free. There is an annual limit to how much you can contribute to a 401k plan. For the year 2021, it is $19,500 if you're under the age of 50 and $26,000 if you're 50 and above, which includes the $6,500 catch-up contribution. Your employer may be matching a certain percent for every dollar you contribute up to a certain percentage of your salary. So say you make $50,000 and the match is 50% up to the first 10% of your salary. That means that your employer will contribute $2,500 as long as you contribute $5,000 or more to this account. Clearly, this is free money, and this encourages you to save at least as much to qualify for the maximum possible match. If you are like most people, every time you joined a company that offered a 401k plan or an equivalent retirement plan, you signed up, set it up, and then just forgot about it. Here are some of the tips on the best ways to manage your 401k to get the most from it. Number 1. Try not to borrow. You're allowed to take loans from your 401k accounts. Please avoid doing that, especially if you plan to use the money to pay off debts like credit cards or personal loans. Even if you pay yourself back, you will lose out on all of the income your 401k could have earned, and that's a lot of time and money you will never get back. Plus, if you leave your job for any reason, which includes getting fired, that loan would have to be paid back in full immediately, or you would get hit with a 10% tax penalty plus regular income taxes on the entire amount. Number 2, make sure to roll over the right way. When you change jobs, you can take your 401k with you through a rollover. A rollover just moves your account from one retirement plan to another. To make sure you don't accidentally trigger a huge tax bill, you need to request a direct rollover when you're ready to make a switch. If your new employer offers a 401k plan, you can move your account from your former employer directly into a new one. If your new employer does not offer a 401k plan, then you can open an IRA, which is an individual retirement account, and ask your former employer to roll over your 401k funds into that. An important thing to remember is to not get the rollover check in your name, or the IRS takes a mandatory 20% withholding tax. Also, if you don't get the money into another retirement account within 60 days, you will be subject to another 10% tax penalty. Number 3, reevaluate and rebalance. Once every year, take a look at your asset allocations, which is the percent of your holdings in stocks and bonds, and make sure that they still fit your financial plan and risk appetite. If your risk tolerance decreases as you grow older, allocate more of your funds towards bonds and safer assets, and fewer to the stock market. If investment performance throws your allocation balance off, for example, a great year in the stock market has caused your stock holdings to increase in value while bonds stayed constant, then you can rebalance your holdings by selling off some stock or purchasing additional bonds to get back to the allocation that you had planned to maintain. Certainly, there are more advanced strategies that can be implemented within the 401k plan depending on the features of that plan. For now, these are the simplest tips to handle your 401k plan. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow on YouTube. If you have specific tips related to 401k plans, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. That is it from me for now. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.